the Hollywood sign, a symbol that has stood the test of time, representing not just a place but an idea, a dream, and a legacy. These two words conjure up a myriad of images. From the golden age of cinema to the modern blockbuster era, the Hollywood sign has been a silent witness to countless stories, both on and off the screen. They speak of glamour, ambition, and the allure of the silver screen. The red carpets, the flashing cameras, the iconic movie posters, all these elements come together to create the magic that is Hollywood. The sign, perched high above the bustling city of Los Angeles, has become an enduring symbol of the American film industry and the dreams it inspires. It overlooks a city that never sleeps, a city where dreams are made and sometimes broken. Its towering letters, stark white against the backdrop of the Santa Monica Mountains, have witnessed the evolution of cinema, from the silent era to the digital age. Each letter stands as a monument to the countless artists, directors, and dreamers who have passed through its shadow. The sign's story is a fascinating blend of ambition, decay, and ultimately, triumphant restoration. It has seen days of glory and days of neglect, but through it all, it has remained a beacon of hope and inspiration. It is a testament to the enduring power of dreams and the captivating magic of Hollywood. As the sun rises and sets over this iconic landmark, it continues to inspire generations of dreamers, reminding us all that in Hollywood, anything is possible. The story of the Hollywood sign begins in 1923. It was a time when Los Angeles was rapidly transforming, and the hills of Hollywood were still largely undeveloped. Contrary to popular belief, the sign was not conceived as a monument to cinematic art or the burgeoning film industry that would later define the area. Instead, it was a real estate advertisement, a bold marketing ploy to attract potential homeowners and investors to a new housing development. The sign originally read, Hollywoodland, a testament to the ambitious housing development it promoted. This development was envisioned as an upscale residential community, offering a slice of the glamorous lifestyle that Hollywood was beginning to be known for. The developers, confident in their vision of a glamorous hillside community, spared no expense. They wanted to create a landmark that would be impossible to ignore, something that would draw people in from miles around. The sign, constructed of sheet metal and telephone poles, cost a staggering $21,000, a considerable sum at the time. This investment was seen as a necessary expense to ensure the success of the Hollywoodland development. Its sheer size, with each letter towering 45 feet tall, was intended to capture the attention of all who beheld it. The letters were illuminated by thousands of light bulbs, making the sign visible even at night. It was a bold declaration of Hollywood's burgeoning identity, a beacon to dreamers seeking their fortunes in the burgeoning film industry. The sign quickly became a symbol of the hopes and dreams of countless individuals who flocked to Hollywood in search of fame and fortune. Over the years, the Hollywoodland sign witnessed the transformation of Hollywood from a quiet residential area into the epicenter of the entertainment industry. The sign itself underwent changes, with the land portion eventually being removed, leaving the iconic Hollywood that we know today. The sign's evolution mirrored the growth of Hollywood itself, from a fledgling community to a global symbol of the entertainment world. It stood as a silent witness to the rise of legendary studios, the birth of iconic films, and the emergence of stars who would become household names. Today, the Hollywood sign remains one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. It continues to attract millions of visitors each year, serving as a reminder of Hollywood's storied past and its enduring allure. As the sun sets over the Hollywood hills, the sign stands tall, a testament to the dreams and ambitions that built an industry and a city. It is more than just a sign. It is a symbol of the magic and mystery that is Hollywood. The Hollywoodland sign, initially intended to stand for just 18 months, defied expectations. However, as the decades passed, the sign's fate mirrored the fortunes of the Hollywoodland development itself. The Great Depression cast a long shadow, halting construction and leaving the sign to the elements. Maintenance was neglected and the once gleaming letters began to deteriorate. The H toppled in a windstorm, a casualty of neglect. By the 1940s, the sign stood as a faded reminder of past aspirations, its future uncertain. In 1949, a pivotal moment arrived. The Hollywood Chamber of Commerce stepped in, recognizing the sign's symbolic value. A deal was struck with the city of Los Angeles. The land would be removed, transforming Hollywoodland into the more succinct and iconic Hollywood. The sign underwent its first major renovation, a symbol of the city's commitment to its cinematic legacy. The revitalized sign stood tall once more, a beacon of hope in the post-war era, its image forever linked to the golden age of Hollywood. Section 5. Guardians of the Sign Preservation Efforts. The Hollywood sign, despite its restoration, remained vulnerable. The harsh California sun, wind, and occasional earthquakes took their toll. By the 1970s, the sign was once again in a state of disrepair, its future uncertain. This time, a group of concerned citizens rallied to its defense. They understood the sign's cultural significance, recognizing it as more than just an advertisement. Fundraising efforts were launched, spearheaded by figures like Playboy founder Hugh Hefner. The goal was to give the sign a complete overhaul, ensuring its survival for generations to come. Section 6. Hollywood Sign Trust. Safeguarding a legacy. The campaign to save the Hollywood sign culminated in the formation of the Hollywood Sign Trust in 1980. This nonprofit organization dedicated itself to the sign's preservation. The trust, with the support of public and private donations, embarked on a comprehensive restoration project. The dilapidated sign was meticulously dismantled and rebuilt. Steel replaced the original wood, making it more resilient. The new sign, unveiled in 1980, was not just a replica. It was a testament to the enduring power of collective effort and a symbol of Hollywood's indomitable spirit. Section 7. The sign's enduring allure, a symbol of dreams. The Hollywood sign, once a simple real estate advertisement, has transcended its humble origins. It has become a global icon, synonymous with the magic of cinema. Its image adorns countless souvenirs from postcards to t-shirts, becoming instantly recognizable worldwide. For aspiring actors and filmmakers, the sign represents the pinnacle of success. It is a symbol of the dreams that draw countless hopefuls to Los Angeles seeking their place in the spotlight. Section 8. The Hollywood Sign Today, a global attraction. Today, the Hollywood sign is one of the most visited landmarks in the world. Tourists from every corner of the globe flock to see it, eager to capture their own piece of Hollywood history. Hiking trails wind their way up to vantage points offering breathtaking views of the sign and the sprawling city below. The sign's image is beamed around the world, a constant reminder of the allure and enduring legacy of Hollywood. It stands as a testament to the power of dreams, a symbol that continues to inspire and captivate. Section 9. The Future of an Icon, Forever, Hollywood. The Hollywood sign, nearly a century old, continues to stand as a beacon of hope and aspiration. Since its inception in 1923, it has witnessed the evolution of the film industry, the rise and fall of countless stars, and the transformation of Hollywood itself. This iconic landmark has become more than just a sign. It is a symbol of dreams, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of success. The Hollywood Sign Trust remains dedicated to its preservation, ensuring that future generations can marvel at its iconic presence. The Trust organizes various activities and events to raise awareness and funds for the sign's upkeep. Volunteers and experts work tirelessly to maintain its structure, protecting it from natural wear and tear, as well as from the occasional act of vandalism. Their efforts are a testament to the enduring significance of the Hollywood sign. As technology advances, new methods of conservation are employed to combat the elements and the passage of time. From state-of-the-art materials to innovative repair techniques, the Hollywood sign is equipped with the best tools to ensure its longevity. These advancements not only preserve the physical structure but also enhance its resilience against future challenges. The integration of modern technology with traditional preservation methods creates a robust defense against the ravages of time. The sign's legacy is secure, its place in history firmly established. Over the decades, it has been a silent witness to the changing landscape of Hollywood, reflecting the cultural shifts and historical milestones of the entertainment industry. From the golden age of cinema to the digital revolution, the Hollywood sign has stood tall, embodying the spirit of each era. Its enduring presence serves as a bridge between the past and the future, connecting generations of dreamers and creators. The Hollywood sign will forever be a symbol of the entertainment industry, a reminder of the dreams that built Hollywood and continue to draw dreamers to its heart. Tourists from around the world flock to see this legendary landmark, capturing its image as a memento of their visit to the City of Stars. For many, it represents the culmination of their aspirations, a tangible proof that dreams can indeed come true. As long as there are stories to be told and dreams to be chased, the Hollywood sign will remain an enduring emblem of hope and inspiration.